Good morning, children. Now we move on to third lesson, that is our needs. So, what are our needs? Basic needs is what? What do you mean by needs? See, the needs is we want clothes to wear. That is our basic needs, right? We want food to eat. Without food, can you stay? You can stay for 1 day or 2 days, but you can't stay for long time. Can you stay without water? No, you can't stay without water also. So, you without shelter, can you stay? No, you without shelter also you can't stay. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಊಟ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So the basic needs is ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಓಡಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಬೇಕು. ಗಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? No. So the basic needs here you are going to read in this lesson is air, water, food, clothes and transport. Okay. So first in this lesson the first thing is about air. What do you mean by air? Can you see air? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. For example, see, I am blowing. So air is coming out from my mouth. So the paper is turning here and there. See, if I am blowing, paper is crossing, right? So how it is possible? Because I am blowing the hair. ಆ ಬ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಹೇರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? You can see the hair. No, you can't see the hair, but you can feel. For example, you hold your hand, you blow. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That is the hair. Can you see the hair? No, you can't see the hair. So first thing in this lesson you are learning about the hair. What it is made up of, what is present there. So air is what we breathe all the time. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೀವಿ, right? Yes or no? You are breathing. So you are breathing what? The air is going inside, and what it is coming outside also the air. So what you require is to breathe all the time. You are breathing only. If you stop breathing, you means that we people are died. So once we stop breathing, that means we people are died. When we die only we stop breathing there. So whenever we are breathing, the air is present there. It is present all around us, but we cannot see or touch it. See, everywhere the air is there. ಗಾಳಿ ಆಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. Everywhere the air is there, but you cannot see or you cannot touch that. But you can feel. See, air you cannot touch, you cannot see, but you can feel the air. We can feel the fast moving air, which is called as the wind. What is called as the wind? Moving air is called as the wind. So ಜೋರ ಗಾಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಗಾಳಿ ಜೋರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? We call it as a wind. So moving air is called as a wind. Air is made up of gases. See, it is made up of full of gases. What gases? We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. That is the gases which is formed in the air. See, tree. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಮರ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ನ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we take in oxygen and we give out the carbon dioxide. So what is gas made up of? Gas is made up of all of gases. So air is made up of gases. What is air made up of? Air is made up of gases. We take in oxygen. Oxygen and ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. We breathe out the carbon dioxide. We feel air in different things to make them work. So how you feel? For example, ಒಂದು ಪಿಪಿ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ. ಒಂದು ಪಿಪಿ ನೀವು ಕೂತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಬಲೂನ್, ಅದು ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ದ ಹೇರ್, ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಬಲೂನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಬಿಗ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯುವರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ಅದು ಪಂಚರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ಪಂಚರ್ ನೋ, ಯುವರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪಂಚರ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಹೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, for example, the tire of your bicycle, cars and scooter. For every vehicle there is a tire. Yes or no? Without tire there is no, you can't move the vehicle. So bus, car, scooter, bike, lorry, so auto, everything there is a tire. What is present inside the tire? The air is present inside the tire. If air is not there, what happens? It gets punctured. So air is present everywhere in the tire. Next, to be filled with the air to be able to move. Once it is filled only you can move. Or once it is punctured, can you move the tire? No, you can't move. So once the air is present in this tire only, the vehicle move front. A swimming tube filled with air helps us to float on water. Can you see this picture? This is a swimming tube. When you put this tube with the air, it will become little bit fat. Then when you put inside the water, it will float. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೇಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಈ ತರ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀರೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಅದ್ರ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೇಲೆ ತೇಲ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮುಳುಗಲ್ಲ. ಏರಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮುಳುಗಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಬಾಲ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನೀರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಬಾಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. It will float. ಮೇಲೆ ತೇಲ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ because air is present in this ball. Inside the air is there. So it will float on the water. If air is not there, what happens? It will go inside. So once the air is present, it will float. Same thing, if tube also in the swimming pool, it will float. We blow air inside the balloon also. As I said you, it will be flowing inside. When you put the air, it will become little bit water, big. Whenever you blow the balloon also and you keep it on the water, it will float. So what do you understand in this first page? What we breathe always, there is a air present inside. So air is made up of gases. So it is made up of what? It is made up of the gases. What we breathe in? We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out the carbon dioxide. So moving air is called as a wind. What is wind? Moving air is called as a wind. We can see, for example, air is present in the tire, air is present in the balloon, and air is present in the tire. So next, we move on to what? Air takes up space. See, when you want to play a flute, people will taking it. So what? Air is present. So air is used to play a flute. Pipi. Who does the game? You want a air. Next, a arch. Arch is a boat. You see, like this it will be. So this is a boat. The arch moves with the help of a air. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is the arch. Air helps us to dry our hair and clothes. See, you see this hair dryer. In some houses it is there, hair dryer. This helps you to make your hair dry. If it is very wet, when you want to get ready and go very fast, and if your hair is very wet, what you use? You use the dryer. Because when the hair comes out from the dryer, it will make you the dry. So where you use the hair? You use the hair in the tube. You wear that is moving with the help of the hair, and you use the hair which helps us to dry our hair and clothes. For example, in your washing machine, automatic washing machine, you should see automatic washing machine ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೈಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ನಿಮ್ದು ವೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಡ್ರೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಡ್ರೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಏರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗೋಂತ ಗಾಳಿ, ಏರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗೋಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಳಿನೂ ಶುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಏರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಗಾಳಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಗಾಳಿಲಿ ಧೂಳು, ಆ ಧೂಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ನೀಸಿಂಗ್, ಕಾಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಮ್ಮಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ನೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. When air becomes dirty due to the smoke coming out from the vehicles and factories, we call it as a air pollution. What do you mean by air pollution? ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸುಮಾರು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೊಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಗಾಳಿಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ನಿಂದ ಹೊಗೆ ಧೂಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಏರ್ಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then it will become air pollution. So what causes air pollution? The factory dirty and the vehicle dirt, which comes out the dirt from the vehicle and the factory, that causes the air pollution. So dirty air is not good for our health. As I said you, it is not good for our health. We will fall sick. Okay, and it is also harmful for animals and plants. Not only we fall sick, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹುಷಾರ್ ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, even animals and plants. Plants ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? We have to give carbon dioxide, right? When we want to get the fresh oxygen from the plant should also have the nice environment. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಳಿನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಗೆ. So not only we get harmful, even plants and animals are also affected from air pollution. What causes air pollution? The main thing which causes air pollution are the factory smoke and the vehicle smoke. Okay, so factory smoke and vehicle smoke causes the air pollution. Next, what we have to do to ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಬರುವಂಥ ಕೆಟ್ಟು ಹೊಗೆಗಳಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಬರುವಂಥ ಹೊಗೆಯಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದಟ್? ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು? ವಾಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರಕ್ಕೂ ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಬದಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯನೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ವಾಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇದ್ರೂ ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. Now also when you start walking, the air pollution comes into control. Plant more trees and plants. Nowadays they are cutting down all the plants and trees. When plants and trees are there, the air pollution will get controlled. If they are cutting down, so what you have to do? The second step is you have to plant more trees and plants. Use bicycle or rickshaws. These are vehicles that do not cause air pollution. Rickshaws means ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋ. we consider rickshaw as an auto also, but when we consider as an option ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ. Nowadays you can't see that. When you consider as an auto will not give more air pollution when compared to other vehicles. Bus, lorry and all, see car and all, it will come more pollution, whereas rickshaws it will not be. So you as much as instead of using rickshaw also, when you are going for nearby places, you use your bicycles. Take your vehicles for pollution check at regular interval. See, they will be checking regular. Emission test ಮಾಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. You ask your father, ಅಪ್ಪ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಮಿಷನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊಗೆ ಆಚೆ ಧೂಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್? ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದಟ್? You are going to walk as much as possible and you will plant more trees and plants. Next is you will use bicycles or rickshaws when you are going and that do not cause air pollution. Next is you are going to check your vehicle at regular interview. For vehicle also there will be regular check will be there. That is I said that is called as an emission test. So still here I am going to stop. Next class I am going to continue with your next stage. So listen carefully. I read out once again. Air takes up space. Air is used to play a flute. Air moves with the help of the air. Air helps us to dry our hair and clothes. Not all the air around us is fresh or pure. When air becomes dirty due to the smoke coming out of the vehicles and factories, we call it air pollution. Dirty air is not good for our health. It is also harmful for plants and animals. To decrease air pollution, we should walk as much as possible, plant more trees and plants, use bicycles or rickshaws. These are vehicles that do not cause air pollution. Take your vehicles for pollution check at regular intervals. Next, all living things need air to live. Without air, we can't live at all. So, all living beings, including plants, animals and human beings. What are the three living things I said you? It is plants, animals as well as human beings. For everybody, air is much more important. So, to live, we require a fresh and pure air. So, still here I am going to stop the lesson. Next class, I am going to continue with your next section. Thank you, children.